If you've been waiting for a sign to start, this is it. Grab your notebook, because I'm giving you not just tool names, but exactly how to use them to make money. And the best part? You don't need tech skills or a big budget. With AI doing the heavy lifting, you can focus on creativity, strategy, and growing your business. Let's get started. 1. ChatGPT free plan. What it is: AI writing assistant from OpenAI. How to use: generate product ideas, write product descriptions, create step-by-step guides, or even outline ebooks. Example type: give me 20 unique printable ideas for Etsy with trending themes, and instantly get product inspiration. Pro tip: ask it to write in your brand voice so all your content stays consistent. 2. Canva free plan. What it is: graphic design platform with AI features like magic resize and magic design. How to use: create product covers, mock-ups, social media posts, Pinterest pins, and even product templates. Example: use a pre-made Etsy template, customize colors, fonts, and export in seconds. Pro tip: combine Canva plus ChatGPT. Write the content in ChatGPT, then drop it into a Canva template for instant designs. 3. Leonardo AI free plan. What it is: AI image generator perfect for creating unique product illustrations or backgrounds. How to use: generate clip art, digital stickers, or unique artwork for printables without hiring an artist. Example: watercolor floral elements for a wedding planner printable. Pro tip: save your favorite styles so your product line stays consistent. 4. Audacity free. What it is: free audio recording and AMP editing software. How to use: record product tutorials, voiceovers for marketing videos, or audio-based products like guided meditations. Example: record an audio course module and edit out mistakes easily. Is CapCut free. What it is: video editing app with AI captions, background removal, and effects. How to use: create product demo videos, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. Example: show your digital planner in action with screen recordings, then add captions automatically. Marketing and AMP sales tools. 6. Pictory free trial. What it is: AI video creation tool that turns text into videos. How to use: turn blog posts, product descriptions, or scripts into engaging videos for social media. Example: upload your product description and instantly get a video ad with stock footage and text overlays. Copy.ai free plan. What it is: AI copywriting tool. How to use: generate high-converting product titles, add headlines, email marketing sequences, or social media captions. Example: write a catchy Pinterest pin title for a printable meal planner that increases clicks. 8. Buffer free plan. What it is: social media scheduling tool. How to use: plan and post your marketing content automatically to Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Example: schedule 1 month of Pinterest pins for your products in one afternoon. 9. Remove.bg free. What it is: AI background remover. How to use: create professional-looking product photos by removing and replacing backgrounds. Example: make your Etsy listing photos stand out with clean, consistent white backgrounds. 10. Google Trends free. What it is: data tool for spotting trending topics and product niches. How to use: search for your product category and see what's trending to stay ahead of competitors. Example: spot an upcoming holiday trend and create themed printables before anyone else. Here's how you can put all these tools together to go from idea to sale in under a week. Research a trending product using Google Trends. Get product ideas in AMP, write content with ChatGPT or Copy.ai. Design your product in Canva or Leonardo AI. Edit visuals in AMP, videos in CapCut or Pictory. Polish images with Remove.bg. Schedule your marketing with Buffer. And all of that without spending a single dollar. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI and digital product tips, and let me know in the comments, which free AI tool you're trying first.